In this video, we are going to see the unboxing of Fingers backlight keyboard, which has a single LED backlight color. I have ordered that keyboard on Amazon Great Indian Festival, which means the keyboard costs around 1500 during the normal sale. In the offer days, I got this keyboard on 888. So, unbox பண்ணிடலாம். Let's open the box, remove the keyboard, and we have two leaflets, quick user guide. So it was a very good packing, nalla packing பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So we can see how the keyboard performs. The build quality was pretty good. The keys are pretty much decent. Keys எல்லாமே ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. The keys in the keyboard have a decent spacing in between them. Keys எதுவுமே ஷார்ப்பாக இல்லாமல் நமக்கு ரவுண்டடான எட்ஜஸாக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, which is good of being the keys like a rounded shape, like rounded square. If we look the keyboard very closer, the letters in the keyboard aren't sharpened. But at this price point, I think this is okay. We can connect it to the CPU. Okay, turning on the CPU now. It looks great. I mean, in the price point, it looks great. Almost we have all the multimedia keys. But if we want to access the multimedia keys, we have to press the function button, which is near the right side control. It was very difficult to access it. In the low light condition, the lighting in the keyboard was pretty good. You can also control the intensity of backlight by pressing the function key and page up and page down. You have 3 levels to control: high, medium, low and off. You can also off the backlight in the keyboard. So at the first time I saw this keyboard closely at the sides of it, I thought it was like a dust or something which was not good looking at, but I think it was a design. At the back side we found the little stand to raise up the keyboard. பின்னாடி ரெண்டு சின்ன ஸ்டாண்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. In case if you want to raise up the keyboard, then you can use the stands to raise it up. So gamingனு வரையில ரொம்பவே நல்லா இருக்குது இந்த keyboard. So the keyboard is very good for gaming. This is a good to go keyboard on this price point. Under 1000 rupees, this will be a good backlight keyboard. Okay guys, like the video if you liked it. If you love the video, just subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.